Guys, so we're driving down Parade Street. So this is the parade ground over there. I'm heading to my insurance broker to pay my car insurance. I wonder if you got parking close by. No, they don't have a parking close by. And also right there is the Oasis restaurant as well too. Right, I have to come around back again. Ooh, the parking, but I got it far away when I walk. Alright, you can't run back, so I'm gonna park here, so I gotta walk a little piece. And it's raining, guys. It's raining. Mother, save the bag with an umbrella. Alright, guys, I'm walking to the insurance company here on Parade Street. And they have an Oasis restaurant right in the same building. Oh my god, it's so muddy. Oh. Yes, and there's the entrance to the restaurant, but I'm going to insurance broker. Oh. So I'm upstairs at the insurance company waiting to pay for my insurance. Oh. Alright guys, so I got my insurance here for my car. So the police stopped me and got worried out. So I'm walking back to my car now. And that's the parade ground over there. Ooh. Aiden, were you a good boy? You're laughing. So guys, so now I'm gonna head to, I wanna go to Monishwar because I need to get some containers so I can put my fruits inside when I soak them. So let's go to Monishwar now. Alright guys, so I'm headed to Monishwar now. This street here, this bus man, oh he did it, yeah. This street here is where you can get all of your like local craft and local jerseys and stuff. Yeah. And over here is also the post office. In front of me here is the money store. And I look for a parking. I just want to go get a container so I can put my fruits inside. I can park here, but I got to probably go forward first. Alright guys, I had to do some fancy parking here and I got to get through, so I have to put on my mask. I don't know what to see if it's still open. I don't find it open though. Say hi, you peeping. Say hi. Look at your mouth. No, wait for me, bye. Guys, so see you in Monishwar. I'm looking for container guys. And I'm looking for the hard brush. Where is it though? Vacuum brush I'm looking for. I'm looking for some small plates here. Here's where I'm gonna buy all my plates. I don't see any. The small ones, just the big ones. So I just finished with Monishwar, so I'm gonna head home now guys, and when I reach home I'll show you guys what I bought. So this is just a short vlog. Guys, I'm in Taylor's store. I'm looking for a bathroom mat. No, bathroom curtain. cheap one. Maybe not more than 1,000. I find a carton around that I like, so just buy some clips. It's so nice. Some clips. That's all I see. Over here. All I get is some clothespin, guys. So guys, I'm on Regent Street here. I just went into this store here, this Payless store. I was looking for some bathroom curtains, a good quality one, but I didn't find any. I just find the one with the tear fast, and with Eden, oh my gosh, he would burst that quick, so I gotta get the thickish one. I also went on Regent Street, but I didn't take up before for video. I was a little scared, so I went to Regent Street. 2 stores, but they didn't have it either, so I guess I gotta use back the same blind, same curtain blind. Just gotta wash it and use it back. Alright guys, I'm on Wellington and Rob, and this is the American Home Store here. The traffic is crazy, guys, very crazy. Everybody in a hurry. And on the left hand side is Dichicom. I'm going to drive down a little down Regent Street and show you guys as well. So we're passing the entrance to the American Home and Beauty store here. It's already closed. Did you guys see on the news when they're about to close a girl hide her in the dressing room or something, and then when the store closed up, she came out and was, I guess she was shopping, and then like the security from outside saw the lights probably in the building and called the police on her. She's stupid though, because how would she expect she would come out? I guess she probably would have sleep there and wait till the next morning when they open up the shopping, but still that didn't make no sense. Or I guess she would have just put the stuff in her bag. But she was caught though. She was caught with a whole bunch of hair and wigs. And over here, guys, is the Chetson store. You get all your different Clarks and some in there. And on your right hand side is the discount store, the green and white building. And over here is the Regent Street Mall. Left hand side. I want to go to the left hand side, but these people are now very in a hurry here. I want to drive down Regent Street and show you guys. Okay, somebody's almost to come over. So, in front there is your the gas station. I'm just going up there a bit. Music. I don't want to get copyright. Yeah, there's the gas station. Alright, you can turn. So guys, we're driving down Regent Street now. See how it's so busy, guys? Look how people shopping. You think people got time with Corona? Hell no. People are shopping for their Christmas. Yep. People are shopping, guys. So now, guys, we're approaching Border Market. Yep. Go ahead, you can pass. Traffic non-stop, guys. A lot of traffic. Oh. show you guys what I bought today.
And then you go home.
No, we have food home. Over there we have Houseful Works and Houseful Plus also, guys. So guys, I just left Regent Street, so now I'm heading down Homestead Avenue and going to the pharmacy because I'm not feeling too well. I'm getting like a chest pain. I don't know why. I googled what to do. They said I should drink hot tea. I did that, but still my chest is hurting. So I'm gonna get something from the pharmacy to see if that can help. If it don't help, I probably might just go to the doctor tomorrow. Yep, I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Maybe it's stress. I don't know. So I'm just gonna head to the pharmacy now and see you at the pharmacy, guys. So guys, I'm driving down Mandela on the way to the pharmacy. Traffic here as well too. Traffic that all over, guys. All over the traffic. And on your left hand side here, guys, is Grill King. They have the best barbecue in GT. In my opinion, I think so. I love their barbecue. So, and on your right hand side, guys, there is Church's Chicken. Quick lady something. I'm driving now to the pharmacy so I can get rid of this chest pain. And on your right hand side, guys, the green building, this is the Guyana Gymnasium. Guys, so over there is the gymnasium. I got no cough, it's hurting. I don't know why. If I get up, I lift up my hand, it's hurting. I don't know. How are the cashier now, guys? How much is it?
$7.10.
$7.10. There you go. Thank you. So I got my tablets. The tablets I have to put it under my tongue this and let it dissolve. So I hope it's not bitter. Alright guys, so I'm on my way home. See you at home.